What are the preventive measures for corrosion control, protection from the corrosion? So in this, many protection against corrosion means not allowing corrosion reactions to take place. Here, material selection, proper design plays vital role. After that, cathodic protection, that is the electric protection. So in the cathodic protection, galvanic protection, that is also known as sacrificial anodic protection. Then impressed current cathode protection, surface coatings. Surface coatings are protecting of the surface of an object by the application of coating by different methods. Surface coatings are anodic coatings and cathodic coatings. Anodic coatings and cathodic coatings. So in that anodic coating, hot dipping is there. Hot dipping, in the hot dipping, galvanizing, tinning, metal cladding, electroplating and electroless plating, organic surface coatings. Organic surface coatings. Paints. Now we will discuss electroplating and electroless plating. What is electroplating? In the electroplating, noble metal is coated over more reactive metals. Noble metal is coated with more reactive metal. Most commonly used electroplating metals are tin plating and nickel plating. Tin plating or nickel plating. In electroplating, the object to be plated is made as a cathode. The object to be plated is made as cathode and the suspended in an electroplating bath containing the metal ions to be plated by electrode deposition. To be plated by electrode deposition. The anode may be of the metal to be deposited or it may be an inert electrode. The anode may be of the metal to be deposited or it may be an inert electrode such as graphite with good electrical conductivity. So in the electroplating process, the variables such as voltage, temperature, pH, current and density are kept constant. So during the electroplating, the variables such as voltage, temperature, pH, current and density are kept constant so that electroplating process remains unchanged. Remains unchanged. So that is rate of deposition of metal on the cathode and rate of dissolution on anode. Best example for electroplating is iron can be protected from corrosion by coating the metal with chromium or nickel by electroplating process. Iron can be protected by coating the metal. Coating of metal. Iron can be protected by coating of coating the metal with chromium or nickel by electroplating or nickel plating, or it's known as nickel plating or electroplating. So in the electroplating coating, noble metal is coated over more reactive metal. Which is more reactive, which is anodic, it will be coated by with noble metal. What is the electroless plating? So in the electroless plating, the base metal is immersed. I mean, immerse the base metal article in a bath of a noble metal. So what is the base metal article is there? I mean, wherever we has to give the electroplating, we has to do the electroless plating, electroless plating. So it is immersed in the bath of noble metal salt, which is used for coating, The noble metal forms a layer on the base metal, formed on the layer base metal, I mean, by displacement of base metal by noble metal. By displacement of base metal by noble metal. So surface is displaced by noble metal. So there is no possibility for to corrode. This process is called as immersion plating. Immersion plating or displacement plating. Also electroless plating. Immersion plating or displacement plating or electroless plating. Example, nickel coating and base metal. Here, base metal article, whatever it may be, any other active articles, active metals, is dipped in a bath of nickel sulfate and sodium hypophosphite, kept at temperature of 100 degrees centigrade and at pH from 4.5 to 5. So here, any active metal is dipped in a bath of nickel sulfate solution and sodium hyposulfite, maintaining 100 degrees centigrade at pH from 4.5 to 5. So nickel ions from the solution reduces to nickel and nickel phosphide, which forms as a strong adherent thin plate. Strong adherent thin plate. Hence, so here entire active metal is coated with noble metal like nickel. So this plating, electroless plating, is also known as immersion plating or dispersion plating. So electroplating and electroless plating. So in the surface coatings, electroplating and then electroless plating plays vital role. In the surface coating, electroplating and electroless plating plays vital